From a fork that tells you to slow down, to a robot that folds your laundry, these inventions may sound strange, but they're very real. Let's explore the weirdest tech gadgets that actually exist. First up, the called HAPIfork. It vibrates if you eat too fast, helping you pace your meals and improve digestion. It may look like a regular fork, but it's equipped with sensors and Bluetooth to track your eating habits. Then there's the known as Ruggie. It forces you to get out of bed and stand on it before it shuts off. It's designed to help you build better morning habits, no snooze button in sight. Next, some models claim to interpret your dog's bark and display basic emotions like happy, bored, or annoyed. It's not perfect, but it's a fun look into pet tech. The is the definition of minimalism. It plugs into your computer but does absolutely nothing. It was originally a parody, but people bought it anyway. And finally, a laundry folding robot designed to take the pain out of household chores. Just clip your clothes in and it does the folding for you. No jokes, no sarcasm, just clean folds. Strange? Maybe. Useful? Sometimes. But these weird inventions prove that creativity in tech has no limits. Which one would you try? Hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments below.